Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're going to be talking about what wheels you need to clear 37-inch tires on your Ram 2500 and 3500 truck. Now, so many times there's the misconception out there that the wider the wheel is, the more offset it is, the wider it is, the better you're going to clear a bigger tire. That's simply not true, because when you turn, the wider wheel puts that tire right into your cab and into your fender. So we've kind of come up with a number of 5 3/4 inches of back spacing to clear 37-inch tires on Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. Now, if you have a 94 to 2012 truck, you will need the longer control arms. That's something we'll cover in a different video. But again, that 5 3/4 number is a very consistent number that'll really help you clear 37s with the least amount of trimming as possible. Now again, this 5 3/4 inch backspacing number is a consistent number. Sometimes customers ask us what offset they need. Offset is calculated based off the width of the wheel. So on a 9-inch wide wheel, a plus 18 offset is gonna be very close to 5 3/4 inch backspacing. Again, another thing we want to cover is so many customers say, I really hate how my factory wheels look. They're really tucked in. It looks like roller skates or pizza cutters underneath the truck. The 5 3/4 inch backspacing is still going to push you out past stock. And then once you go with the 37-inch tire, 35-inch tire, 12.5-inch wide, it's going to look really aggressive on like the newer trucks with the factory fender flares. It even sticks outside the flare just a little bit for a really aggressive look, but still a very clean setup. So again, 5 3/4 is the number we're shooting for. This is something that's been very commonly available in 20-inch and 18-inch wheels, Fuel, Method, Black Rhino. All these companies do offer wheels in a 5 3/4. Sometimes it's a 5.5 number, which is something you can still get away with. But 17-inch wheels have really been a hole that have been out there for quite some time. We partnered with Raceline and Method to bring two 17-inch wheels in the proper back spacing for 37s. Again, this is something we've covered in other videos. But also, if you're going for something more high-end, there is the Trody and Innovate wheels. The Trody wheels are a custom order wheel. He has a 17-inch and a 20-inch wheel. They're custom order, different finishes, different back spacing, so we can really tailor the offset to fit exactly what you're looking for. Again, if you do want it even a little bit wider than what we offer, we can do that. You just have to trim a little more. And then we have Innovate wheels. Innovate wheels are an extremely custom forged racing wheel that have been brought to the street applications. They're custom machined, again, are available in different finishes as well as different back spacing, something we're really excited to offer. Now, all of these wheels we currently run or have run in the past on any of our shop trucks, even our sales guys, things like that. We've all tested these different wheels. They all look killer. They all pretty much do the same job because they mount tires to them, but it really is one of those things that's kind of like picking shoes. We like to give you guys the most options as possible, as well as be a one-stop shop for the best suspension, the best wheels, and the best accessories for these trucks. So while it does seem very complicated to fit 37-inch tires on a Ram truck with just a leveling kit or 3-inch system, it really does boil down to just that 5 3/4 inch back spacing number. Again, you can deviate from it a little bit. All that will mean is more trimming. You really only run into a no-go situation when you go higher than 5 3/4, sometimes into the 6 or higher than that number. You're gonna touch your radius arms and sway bars at full lock, which is actually way too far inset. And then you drop down to the 4.5, which is a lot of 17-inch wheel manufacturers are shop for. That 4.5 number is just gonna put the wheel out a little bit too far and get your tire into your fender. So again, we do offer a ton of different options in this backspacing number. Check out the links down below. If you have any questions, comment, shoot us a call, send us an email. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.